Alright guys, so this is going to be a video tour of my ceiling fan collection as of January 1st, 2020. So, I have a couple of them in here because I was working on a project actually a couple of months ago and I just never ended up putting them back. So, starting out I guess, this is a 5-minute Hunter Westminster fan. Trying to get it so it doesn't break the glass. As you can see, this is the 5-minute version, polished brass. I got this for $5. Well, actually, it was listed for $5 at a thrift store, and I ended up getting it for $2.50 because that color was 75% off. I also got for $2.50 at the same place at the same time this little 44-inch. Shoot, I forgot the name of these. I think it's the Continental is the name of these ones. An antique brass, and I really like this fan. It's in good shape, and I would love to put it in my room. This right here, I think, is the newest one in my collection, as in time that I got it. This is a Thomas Fasco fan in white. I think it's a Thomas Fasco. I got this at a Habitat store for, I think, $15 up north. Has the reverse switch in the motor. But I think this is a Thomas Fasco, like a 44-inch or something, model 442. But it does say Fasco Industries. But I feel like it might have some Thomas in it, because it reminds me of, like, the Thomas Fascos. This right here is not a completed fan. I got this for free, actually, off the curb. It's a craft-made, whatever the generic builder one is called. And it's got quite a few issues, mainly being that, A, the fan pull chain I ripped out on accident. It wasn't like that when I got it. It's in like a, like an oil rubbed bronze finish. It's got some scratches in it. Does have the lower canopy though. This fan is a pain to try and put together. I don't know why. CEC 52s, but it's like a 44-inch fan. So, one of the other reasons it's not complete is it came with this really weird glass fixtures. Like, I've never seen these before. They're really weird, and I can't find replacements. And unfortunately, one of them shattered. So, the fan isn't complete as I only have 3. So, I'm going to move this out of the way. So, let's see. Glass sitting here. This right here I got on, I think it was Let Go for $5 or something like that. It's a generic, here's the lower the faceplate. It's a generic, like a Lowe's fan or something, but I liked it because it had cane blades and it came with a tassel. It's a little battered, but it did come with one. And it's fully functional. The glass for it is actually, it came with, one of the main reasons I liked it is because, here's the top, it came with a schoolhouse globe. And I don't have a use for one in my collection, but my parents' fan, an SMC A52, has schoolhouse globe, but it broke. So we just ended up putting one of those round globes on it, and I was always looking for one to replace the schoolhouse with. And when I saw this one had a schoolhouse, I was like, heck yeah. So that's where the shade is on that one. Here we have one of my all-time childhood fans. This is the SMC A42 that was in my bedroom as a child. As you can see, these aren't the best made fans, but these are kind of special. I don't remember which motor this was. Maybe I can tell by the pull chain. Okay, I think this is the one that was in my current bedroom. Right here we have a fan I picked up on the side of the road. Picked this up on the side of the road. It's a Hunter, I forget the name of these, but it's like a big 54-inch outdoor fan. It's really hard to set up. The shade is right there. It's very heavy. I don't remember what the name is, but I picked it up on the side of the road, and it's got a couple parts missing, so I don't know. This fan I got with that fan on Let Go. This is a generic GE Vent 52-inch fan. It's complete, has no model name on it. And it came with, it's a flush mount, which is not a low profile, but it's just a flush mount. I would love to mount this fan in our dining room, but I don't think the parents would let me. I don't know where the glass is. So, and that's the glass for the Continental, which also I'm missing one, but those are just generic, so that's fine. Coming back here, we have two of my favorites. If I can actually get to them. Oop, there's the blades for a lot of them. These are two Hunter, I want to say Summer Breeze fans off of Let Go. These are the first fans that I ever, like, purchased by myself. Like, I talked to him, I got the money. These were the first ones. He originally had them listed for, see, this one's got a regular globe, that one's got a 5 light. He had them listed originally for $24 a piece, which is way too much for any fan. So I talked him down to giving me both for $30. If I can step through here, it's kind of a maze. I need to clean this up. Here's the globe for the Summer Breeze that takes the schoolhouse. I really am careful with this globe because I don't want to have to say I broke it because it's really cool. And then these are the shades. It had beveled glass on the other one, which I love beveled glass no matter what Dan Spiffy Newman says. This was the center one, and then these were the 4 on the side. I love beveled glass. So those are the ones in here. I've got a couple more to show. Oh, so I also have this one. So this fan is just a total cluster F, and I think I'm just going to get rid of it, which is a shame because it's really cool. Like, it's all left up. All the wires are messed up, and I just don't know what the heck to do with it. So I think I'm just going to get rid of it. But I hate to do that because, like, it's got, like, a sideband, and it looks so cool. It's got uplights, and I hate to do that, but I think I'm just going to have to because I don't know how to fix that. I need Dan to look at it, or maybe Kim. So, over here, this is where some of them are stored. I have some blades set. This is a Harbor Breeze, I forget the name of this one. I think it's called the Annalise 44-inch colored fan. This is a fan I got at the Goodwill outlet in Indianapolis. I don't remember how much it was. It was probably way overpriced. It's a ventless, ugly thing, but I got it out of spite, and the brackets are horribly bent. So I kind of just got it because I thought it looked cool. I didn't actually figure out, like, what is the longevity of this fan. I'm going to need to put this back. Just 1 second. I don't remember how I had it sitting up here, but it was kind of complicated. There we go. Apparently I had that sitting up there in the most complicated way possible. There we go. This is the other SMC U42. This is the one that was in my first bedroom because it's got the missing wing nut or whatever. Not a wing nut, but you know what I mean. Decorative knob. So this is glass storage. So, like, let me see. These were the shades that were on the GE vent. Those are just some beveled glass shades I picked up. Those are just some tulip shades I have. Those I got with the Craigslist fans, the GE vent and the other one. So I got that one landmark shade. I've got a fan sync box. I've got the shade for this thing, which is an Estate, Quorum Estate. I have no clue what I'm going to do with this freaking thing, because it's just all screwed. The main problem is I don't have all the blades, and the problem with a fan like this is that the way the brackets are designed, you need brackets that... Where are the brackets for that one? I don't even freaking know. Here we go. You need brackets that are shaped like this, as opposed to like that. And it's hard to come by these, unless you use like Hunter brackets. So, you know, it's tricky. I think I'm just going to scrap that one and just take parts from it because I don't have a use for it. But, yeah, this is also from the Goodwill outlet. This one, when I got it, had 4 severely bent blade arms and 1 broken blade. Here is my first ever ceiling fan that I bought for my collection. This is an SMC A52, unornate. As you can see, it's a GE vent model. Pull chain needs to be greased. Short little dowel rod, very heavy, antique brass, large body. It's very nice. Light bulbs. This is a Habitat fan from my local Habitat. It's a brown and brass. I don't really know the make. It's got Casablanca blade brackets, and it has wiring for a light. So at some point, there was probably a light. It just says 52-inch fan by something. I don't even know. I do have a couple fans here that are new in box. The only fan box down here that actually serves a purpose is the Hunter Discovery back there. First fan I ever picked out when I was little. This is a new in box Heritage Alliance that I got at a thrift store on the very last day of opening, so it was like $2. And then my prized possession. CEC Georgian II, according to the box. Listed for $4, but it was at a thrift store, and they marked it up to $6.50. I saw it on the shelf, I froze in my spot for about a minute, and I said I have to have it. This one is the brown one, and I don't think I'm ever going to run that. Just because I kind of have a thing for SMC fans and CEC fans in general. They're cheaper, and they're not as good, but I kind of just have a thing for them because, you know, I like them. But anyways, stupid stuff. That is a nicely detailed tour of my ceiling fan collection. I'm hoping to get more in the future, and I really hope that at some point, I can just put some up in my house, because my parents won't let me at this point. One thing I will say, though, is that what I was thinking about doing, actually, was one of 2 things with this. One was just get rid of the light kit in general, but I also thought if I want to keep the light kit, I can just put different shades on there, because, to be honest, those shades are ugly. The problem with this fan is it's a builder fan, and I don't know if it's worth pumping money into, because it's also got scratches and stuff. But yeah, this was actually free from the same guy that gave me that one, and that one fell, so I'm going to have to go fix that. Ugh. So, yeah, that is a detailed tour. Why did this one fall? Because it's not balanced, that's why. Of my ceiling fan collection. Hope you enjoyed. Thank you very much for watching. And that is most definitely it. I was trying to do a shot of the CEC, but no. That's it.